Hey guys, I have this my Samsung Galaxy wireless earbuds here, and lately I've been experiencing an issue which many people are also having, and the issue is that one of the earbuds is not playing. There's no sounds when you are playing, and in my case I have them two here. This is the left side and this is the right side. So the left side is working normal, while the right side is not working. It's not sounding. Once you are playing, there is no sound on this. Now let's see, to solve this issue I have two options. The first option is just to surface clean it, and we'll do the surface cleaning. If it doesn't work, then we try the other way around. So first let's do the surface cleaning by doing it. So remove this cover here, as you can see, and you can see we have some metal which is closing the speaker in order for dirt not to go inside, but meanwhile probably there is dirt inside. Now let's do the surface cleaning. To do the surface cleaning, just get some cotton swabs, and this is my rubbing alcohol. So use this cotton swabs and apply the rubbing alcohol. Now as we are to do the surface clean, we are not going to turn it upside down and put it inside. So you have to face it upside down, then clean the top side. So once this is done, just get a brush, just clean the surface. So you apply this. So because my left side is working normal, but I'm going to be doing the same thing. So I'm done with that one too. Now if it doesn't work, then you try this next step option. Get a pin, find a pin, something like this, a needle or a cutting blade. So let's use a needle, but preferable I use a needle. At the top, try to remove this top metal. Now by removing the metal, you would have to clean the inside, so be careful not to break inside. So use the needle and just apply on the edges. So we have the metal here removed. Now as you can see that there's dirt inside. There is dirt. You can see that. You can see we have dirt on it. You can't even see through. So that is the case here. So as you can see, we have the top one here. Now let's do some cleaning. Use the cotton swabs, apply the rubbing alcohol, turn it upside down and clean it once again. Be careful not to drop the alcohol inside the speaker. So we have that here. You can just use a needle to clean some of it. So the same thing, use the cotton swabs on the metal and clean that inside. So as you can see, we have it here cleaned here. Right, so you can see there's nothing on it again. You can see it's now cleaned. So, and you can see the cotton swab. There is dirt on the cotton swab. There's too much dirt. So once you are done with that, you can use the brush once again, just clean the metal. So you do the same thing to the left side. You do the same thing to the left side. Remove that one too. Once that one is playing normal, but there could be dirt inside, so remove that one too. As you can see, this one, there is no much dirt on it, but on the metal you can see there is a bit of dirt on it. You can see there's a bit of dirt on it. So you just have to apply the rubbing alcohol and clean it. Once done, just place the metal back. You can see it is now inside. So let's use the cover. So you can just clean the cover if it is dirty. This one is okay, normal. So just put it back. Alright, we have here already. Or better still, you can leave it just like this without the metal, but you can use the cover and cover it and play. And even that one is going to sound better as compared to you using the cover, you using the metal to cover it. But as it has been created like that, so let's just close the metal. Let's put on the metal. Put on the metal. Right, so now the metal is inside. Right, so just put on the cover and we are good to go. So that is just how it is. So let's try to play something. Let's connect it. So just put it inside. So we are playing some sounds, so you can hear. So you can see that the sound, the right one is now sounding now. You can hear the sound. Alright, so guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to solve this issue of your earbuds, one not working, and the other is the one not working. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next video. Peace out.